Tomorrow, Thursday at 8 p.m. Eastern, will be our exciting virtual workshop series called Alive, Regenerate to Rejuvenate in 90 Days. Register now at nomorediscomfort.com. In this free virtual workshop, we cover how to start the Regenerate to Rejuvenate process to naturally get back to looking and feeling your best. We aren't talking about simple strategies that anyone can Google. You will get to see how, by following our proven system, people are doing things like competing in highly competitive sports events again after suffering career-ending joint injuries, waterskiing frequently in their 80s after regenerating their severely arthritic shoulder, eradicating 10 years of lower back discomfort while avoiding being wheelchair-bound for life. We'll even show you how to avoid supplements that are scientifically proven never to work for you. Why now? After years of helping people remove years from their appearance, rebuild joints that were recommended for replacement by physicians, and restore their hope in genuinely being able to be alive, we wanted to distill everything down to share that system with the world. The Alive virtual workshop series is all about showing you how it is still attainable for you to be mistaken as their child's sister instead of her actual mother. Get back to doing the activities you love without the joint discomfort. Live an amazing life without being held back by wrinkles, troubling joints, or weight gain. So if you want to discover proven options beyond the traditional healthcare system, create your 90-day transformation plan to look and feel significantly younger, and hear from our special guests about their transformations. Go ahead and register now to join us tomorrow at nomorediscomfort.com. Looking forward to seeing you at the workshop tomorrow. Go to nomorediscomfort.com.